Today I attempt to fix a broken window. Hey folks, welcome to the channel. For those who are new here, my name's Andrew. I'm a part-time eBay, Amazon, Depop and Vinted reseller, soon to be full-time in February. Currently I am working on getting my outbuildings into order at my property with no DIY skills whatsoever. I have got one that has no window. The window broke during Storm Claudia, so I finally got around to buying some OSB to board it up. OSB obviously not the best material for the job, but it's cheap, and the plan is, after I've gone full time, get all the windows replaced. So I'm only using this for a temporary fix. I've got a bit of sealant and water preserver, wood preserver stuff to put on it, but first off I'm actually going to attach it to the window because that needs doing. Also slightly hungover after a heavy weekend, but we'll give it our very best shot anyway. So we have here the OSB board. Behind here is the offending window, which is glassless, as you can see. There's also a lot of waste here as well that I need to sort out, but anyway, I'm going to see if this is going to fit now, because I've had this, we've obviously cut this to size, but who knows if my measuring skills are up to scratch or not. So I'm going to move this board out of the way that's been acted as a wind barrier and put this one over and see if it fits. Okay, so what's happened here is I've got the wrong piece of OSB out the van, because this does not cover up there. I do have another piece in there because obviously so let's go grab the other one and see if that fits. Okay, so we have a piece of OSB that now fits. It's getting screwed into this bit here, which is why there's a gap there, and then yeah, I'm going to try screwing it in first, or nailing it in, or whatever the term is, I mean, and then if that doesn't work I might glue it, or actually I might try gluing it first and see if it holds in position on the glue. If it holds on the glue, that's a lot less work. Yeah, I'm going to try gluing it first, see how that goes, glue it to the frame, because also this frame is quite rotten as well, because it's like decades old. So yeah, we're going to try and glue that in, but this is ordered the right size anyway. Ooh. This is ordered the right size anyway, so let's go grab some wood glue. Okay, so we've got the same wood glue I used to do the garage. I'm just going to literally cover this thing in glue, so it's absolutely covered in it, and then I'm going to prop it up and I'm going to hold it in place for a minute, and I'm going to use this board to lean against it so it's got pressure on it overnight and will hopefully stay glued. That is the plan anyway. Wish me luck. Okay, so remarkably it has bonded. I'm now going to prop this up against it so that we can make sure it stays in place. I did run out of glue in that corner actually. It's used to us in the garage, but I think we'll get away with that. Let's prop this up and see how it does. Okay, so propping it in is proving to be challenging. It is now in on this side, but it's quite loose, so I am going to try and screw that in. I don't think the wood glue is going to do the job, because it's just, I'm not able to keep it in place with the pressure on it, so I'm going to have to screw that. But it's there, it's ready for screwing, we can screw that in now. But I'm going to get the dog first. Okay, amazingly, mission achieved. This is now boarded. There are some gaps in the window frame where it's rotted through, which I don't know if you can quite see, so I'm just going to pour some, clean up there and pour some sealant down there. But that is done. That is glued and nailed in. It's solid, it's not coming out. I'm quite proud of that. I've actually achieved some DIY. I need to treat it, so I'm going to treat the wood, and I am going to seal it, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so the window frame has been sealed. Now I just need to treat the wood, but it is starting to rain a little bit, so we'll wait until it's dry, I think, and then treat it. And so the rain held off, so I have treated this. I've given it technically 3 coats. I was supposed to give it 2, but I thought I'd give it a 3rd one for luck of treatment, which is down there. I've gone for 2 brushes as well, but never mind. I've also treated the window frame as well. And I'm going to move on and just give this door frame a bit of treatment as well, because you know, I've got stuff, so I may as well do something with it. Okay, so that was it. The window is successfully boarded. It is nailed in. It is sealed at the sides so that there's no water ingress. It's been treated. That's it, Bertie. It's done. I'll turn the camera around for a wrap up. Okay. So, amazingly, we've actually managed to do a DIY job and do it to some kind of standard. That is fantastic. If you've been watching the garage renovations that I've been doing, it has not gone as well as that. But that's there, that's solid. That is not coming off, as you can see. So yeah, happy with that. I think that's it for this video. If you've made it this far in the video, comment greenhouse down below. See you on the next video. Bye for now.